The German Aerospace Center researches various topics in modern aviation, including manufacturing technologies and processes. The Center for Lightweight Production Technology in Augsburg cooperates closely with industry in several projects for effective and highly digitalized manufacturing processes. In Project Agreed, Premium Aerotech, DLR and partners developed and investigated a fully digital supported assembly cell for large aircraft fuselage shells. When starting the work process, a central computing unit calculates the most efficient working order for a number of upcoming processes, taking the work plan, status of the station, workers and roboting system into account. All inputs and resources are prepared, and planning status of shell manufacturing is provided online. A digital model of the station and all resources leads to a digital model to approve the current setup. When starting the process, all resources, including workers, are connected and is guided online in the following tasks. The parts to be integrated have to be prepared by local cleaning and activation by automatical processes. The two processes of cleaning and following activation is realized by full automatical change of end effector. Now the workpiece is well prepared for the following sealing process. The work order and timing is fully computed and digitally transferred to man and machine. Robots with integrated sensors lead to safe and collaborative interaction. While the digital guided worker is fixing the part manually, cooperating robots are processing the next steps. Optimized drilling by just one shot without manual deboring is established. By use of a C-clamp EDU, the part is fixed and ensure highly defined gap and burless connection. For positioning, laser scanners and cameras are used. The next step in the assembly process chain is the riveting. Again, robots with a sensor guiding system find the position and install fasteners. Safe cooperating robots, so-called cobots, allow the coexistence of man and machine in the same area. All cobots are installed on movable carriers to be flexible for operation whenever it is needed. By digital simulation and planning, an optimum of shared workload can be reached. AGVs allow the motion of the carriers. The final step is quality check, an essential task for every aircraft manufacturing process. A robot-guided camera system is proving visually all assembled aircraft systems and compares it with the master model. By this digital assistance, the requirements are met in a secure, efficient and fast way, ensuring gapless documentation of quality. The worker guides the system and takes the final responsibility for quality. His physical presence, very close to the robot, is made possible by the sensors of the cooperating robot. Aircraft part, station, robot and human workers have been modeled by a digital twin with their characteristic key features. All process steps were set up and demonstrated in full-scale assembly station.